Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so the extension can act instantly. Log into your railway account and open the booking page. Once done, pin the Tatkal extension to the toolbar. Make sure passenger names, ID types and numbers, and your preferred saved card are accurate because the extension autofills these fields. You'll also set the target train and quota now. This reduces human delay at submission time and lets the extension focus solely on timing and CAPTCHA tasks. You now configure the extension for action. Choose the train, quota, boarding point, and seat preferences, then set the exact booking time and number of retry attempts. This tells the extension when and how aggressively to submit. Next, enable autofill for passenger and contact data and toggle autosubmit for your saved payment method. If available, select the CAPTCHA handling option you prefer. Finally, keep the booking tab focused and avoid switching windows so the extension maintains control during the critical seconds. You complete the process by monitoring the confirmation screen, verify PNR or transaction ID immediately and screenshot it. If payment fails, make sure your card OTP arrived, then retry using an alternate saved card or net banking option. Timing is key. If the extension doesn't act, clear browser cache, update the extension, and disable other automation or ad block add-ons that might interfere. Finally, rerun a quick test on a non-critical booking to confirm settings before your next Tatkal window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.